Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how a real-world voice AI automation works. What you see here is a voice AI receptionist designed for a clinic. So let me give you an overall idea of how this voice AI works. When a patient calls the clinic, this AI agent answers the call just like a human receptionist, and it tries to understand the reason for the call, ask about the symptoms, and collect basic details such as name, age, and then guides the patient through the appointment request. Once the details are confirmed, the call is smoothly handed over to another agent that handles the appointment booking in real time using Google Calendar. And then after the call ends, all the conversation data is automatically extracted using Anatan and then saved to the CRM, which is Google Sheet here, and shared with the clinic team via Slack, and even it can confirm a specific person with Telegram. So there is no manual work needed here. The patient data will be stored in this Google Sheet. So later on, this data can be used. So let's try to see how this voice AI agent works. And for this demo, I'm not gonna use a real phone number. Instead, I'll try to check with the test mode, and it is very close to production level. So let's try to see how this one works.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hello, I want to book an appointment with the doctor tomorrow. Is it possible?
I'd be happy to help you with that. Can you tell me a little about what brings you in and which doctor you'd like to see? If you're not sure, that's okay. Just let me know what's going on and I'll do my best to assist.
Okay, I have had a severe headache for the last few days. So for that reason, I want to see a doctor.
I'm sorry you're dealing with such a severe headache. That sounds really uncomfortable. Thank you for sharing that with me. To help with your appointment, may I have your full name, please? If you could also spell it out for me, I'll make sure I have it correct.
Alright, the name is Masudur.
Thank you for sharing your name. Just to confirm, is the spelling Masudur? Did I get that right?
Yes.
Thank you, Masood. May I ask your age, please?
Yes, I'm 25.
Thank you for letting me know, Masood. And just to confirm, what is your gender?
Yeah, male.
Thank you. Just to clarify, did you mean male?
Yes.
Thank you for confirming that, Masood. You mentioned you've had a severe headache for the last few days. Could you tell me a bit more about your symptoms? For example, have you noticed anything else along with the headache, or is it mainly just the headache?
Yeah, it's just the headache.
Thank you for sharing that, Masood. I appreciate you letting me know. And just to confirm, you'd like to book an appointment for tomorrow. Is there a specific time that works best for you, or are you flexible?
Okay, I'm flexible.
Thank you for telling me all of that, Masood. I'll make sure the booking team has everything they need to help you. I'm going to connect you now with our booking team, and they'll assist you with scheduling your appointment for tomorrow.
Right.
Let me check our available appointment times for tomorrow and find the best options for you. I'm sorry, but it looks like we don't have any available appointment slots for tomorrow. Would you like me to check for the next available times and suggest 3 options for you?
Yeah, go ahead.
I'll look for the 3 closest available appointment times for you and share them right away. The next available appointment slots are 1. Monday, January 19th, anytime between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. 2. Tuesday, January 20th, anytime between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. 3. Wednesday, January 21st, anytime between 9:15 a.m. and 5 p.m. Which of these days and times would work best for you?
So I'll go for the 20th and from 10:30.
Perfect. I've scheduled your appointment for Tuesday, January 20th at 10:30 a.m. It looks like I need either your email address or phone number to complete the booking. Could you please provide one of those so I can finalize your appointment for Tuesday, January 20th at 10:30 a.m.?
Yes, of course. The email address is masood@gmail.com.
Thank you, Masood. I'm booking your appointment for Tuesday, January 20th at 10:30 a.m. now. Your appointment is all set for Tuesday, January 20th at 10:30 a.m. for your headache consultation. When you visit Apollo Clinic, please bring a valid photo ID and a list of any medications you're currently taking. If this is your first visit, arriving a few minutes early will help with any paperwork. We look forward to seeing you at Apollo Clinic. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's all. Thank you so much.
Thank you for calling Apollo Clinic, Masood. Take care, and we look forward to seeing you soon.
Okay, the call ended automatically without manual interruption. So if we now want to see the N10 workflow, okay, it's perfectly send the Slack and even Telegram. And for the calendar, if you remember, okay, 20, and it is 10:30 a.m. so it booked correctly. And the CRM, Google Sheet field is also, we can see the data here. So everything is perfect. So that's all. Thank you so much.